pan of fish. Yum yum. This is the pampano fish. This is the bangus. The milk fish. It's already marinated. Yum yum. Kain tayo mamaya, guys. I got rice in here. I got coffee there. I got my rice here. Almost done. Almost done my rice.